Okay, so now hopefully everybody has this situation out on your desk. And what we have is we have the fine sand and the coarse sand, and we've removed a little bit of the of whichever one is necessary to get down to equal levels. So these should be really close to being the same level. Okay? Now, we're going to add water to both of these, and this is going to demonstrate two things. It's going to demonstrate porosity, the amount of void space, and it's going to demonstrate permeability, the ability of the material to transfer water. So we're going to develop a hypothesis, right? Which one of these do you think is going to have the higher porosity? Coarse sand. And I would agree with that. And the reason is because the coarser the sand, the larger the void space, right? The larger the material, which means coarse, then the larger the void space, as opposed to smaller ones that are able to get closer together and have less void space. All right, now we imagine that these two are pretty well related. They're not always related. Which one of these is going to have the higher permeability? The coarse sand as well. And I would agree, because just like the cinder block analogy we gave earlier, we have larger material, therefore we have better connected void spaces. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to come and go ahead and pour those in there and see which one is which. And the way we're going to measure the porosity is we're going to, as we pour this water in, we're going to stop pouring right when it gets to the very top of the material. And then any water that's left is going to show us the difference in porosity. And as we pour this in, we're going to watch, and however quickly it flows down is going to demonstrate the permeability. So we're going to come back in a second and do the experiment.